Alright, everyone. We have 2 boxes. Oh, where's my camera? Sorry. Sorry. Okay, I missed that. Oh, Jesus. There. Ah! I am huge. There we go. Much better. Alright. So we've got 2 boxes of the Muppets CMF collectible minifigures. Each one has 6 packs in it. Got them straight from Lego. I guess these things are actually sold out now, or pretty close. Realized I left 2 paintbrushes on my water bowl. That's not good. Alright. Yep. Knife. Well, excuse me. Alright. There we go. So, we will go with this one. Six wonderful packs. Okay. Honestly, most of the characters I'm looking for are on this. Fozzie, Kermit, Beaker. They did my boy Gonzo so dark lately, but so let us get to this. This is bag number 1. And it's, I forget this character's name. This is one of my least wanted ones. Just because I actually had, like, no connection to this character. And there we go. Looks pretty nice. So we'll sit her over there and open this up real quick. And we will look. Use this one to keep track of the characters that we get. Apparently it doesn't have their names on it. Okay. Beep, 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 beep. So we got number 12. So, really, to go over it, this one, Kermit, Fozzie, the old guys and Swedish Chef were kind of the characters I was looking for. So on to bag number 2. And we have Gonzo. Which... Okay. All right, let's... So we got Gonzo as chicken. Nice printing on this. Looks like a jalapeno pepper. I mean, yeah. The leg print's nice. I didn't really look at the other character. So, that's 2 characters down out of 12. I know I'm not going to get a full set just in 2 boxes. And Swedish Chef. Nice. It's supposed to be a tomato? Yeah. Tomato. Like that. He's got a beater. And as soon as I get my Lego City up and running, I will have all these characters displayed somehow. That could be a couple years from now. With an extra beater. All right. On to bag number 4. So far, so good. No dupes. And we have Beaker. I feel like I'm missing something. I feel like I'm missing pieces. There's his phone. At least the cover. So far, 3 of the ones I want. Alright, let's look at Beaker real quick. Okay, so he's only got the print on the front. Got like a... almost like a PKE meter. It's pretty tall, so it's kind of an interesting build. We shall see. So we've got 4, 3 of them I really wanted, so that's good. This is one of the old guys. I can't remember their names. It's been so long. So we got 2 cups and a. Looks like it's supposed to be a newspaper. This is. Okay. Looking at the character over. I'm going to turn on some more light here. Alright. It's not the greatest. The print really disappears on this character. Again, no front to back print, just front. Kind of weak, but I guess there's not much you can do on somebody who's wearing a suit. And we have Rolf. What? Oh. It's like, what is all this included with that? And then I noticed it's a statue. Definitely. Okay, at least he has all front, his body has print all over. This has a little bit of music on it. And then we have the head. Again, stick him here. Put the head over here. And we have Ludwig von Wolf. And that goes trash. All right. We got 1, 3, 4, 9, and 11, and 12. So, not a bad pickup so far. All right. Moving over. See who comes out of this bag. Okay. It's probably animal, I think. No, Fozzie Bear. Okay. Waka Waka Waka. So, nice print details. The head's a little. Actually, I don't like. I'm not a big fan of Fozzie's head. But on we go. And here's our first duplicate, which reminds me. Oh, come on, me. What did I do with it? I know these are things that are probably just staring me in the face too. Straight out of the poly, right or into the mystery bag, right into a poly bag, and I'll eventually sell these off, I guess. I don't know. Or trade for the characters I don't have. So, that was our first duplicate. Not a bad duplicate to have, though. And, well, the old guy again. Oh. You notice I put everything in the bag. Straight into the bag and into my little minifigure. Fell off. And okay. Oh. I was hoping we were going to have less and less dupes, but it looks like we're down to just 2 bags. There's still, honestly, there's only one character I really, really want out of him. So, and we got another duplicate. Ugh, rough. Excuse me. Duplicate beaker. So, last one. Come on, Kermit. And it's another Gonzo. Okay. Ah, man. So, in 2 boxes, we received Fozzie, Beaker, Swedish Chef, Gonzo, forget this character, and the old guy in the brown. I wanted to complete the set of old guys, and Kermit was the only other one I really wanted. So we did good. This character is the only one I really could care less about. Janice, right? Yeah, Janice. So Miss Piggy was kind of like, okay, whatever. So I will put this in with my other collectible minifigure things, and we will put my minifigures up here with my Looney Tunes ones. Next to some Marvel ones. Next, God, oop, poor Beaker. He dropped his phone. Yeah, he just dropped. Bella, you talk to the wonderful tentacle monster from Doctor Strange 2. Alright. So, I also received a tall neck today, so that is it. I probably won't post this until Saturday when I take time to just break everything down. But thank you for being here. And that was 2 boxes of collectible Muppets minifigures. If you like the content, please hit the wonderful sub and follow button. I greatly appreciate any support the channel gets. Thank you. Have a great day.